Hello everyone, I am so back, and for today we will make Sushi Bake! For the written recipe, please check the description box. To start, let's just add our sugar to our vinegar. And we add in our salt. Just mix it to properly combine. And let's add it into our regular boiled rice. You can actually add in malagkit rice for this to make it more sticky. As for this recipe, I am only using a regular rice. I have here my research DIY furikake, or as what they call the rice seasoning. It is just a mixture of roasted sesame seeds, nori sheets that I cut into small pieces, and crushed V-cut potato chips. O, diba? Para-paraan lang sa mga walang budget. Baking pan, let's just transfer our seasoned rice. Just press it to make it compact. Over the rice, let's add in our diced cucumber. And our very sweet ripe mangoes. And let's also add in some grated carrots for more freshness. Let's just set this aside as we prepare our Kani mixture. I have here around 6 to 7 pieces of crab sticks that I shredded. And let's add in our regular mayonnaise. And hot sauce instead of wasabi paste. In this recipe, I am only using substitutes because as we all know that Japanese ingredients are quite pricey. And we are not yet earning, so tiis-tiis muna. Let's just spread our Kani mixture on top. And just spread it evenly. Let's sprinkle the remaining grated carrots. Our diced cucumber. And lastly, our ripe mangoes. Then, let's drizzle some mayonnaise on top. And I'm sorry, actually this has to be done at the very end. But you know, more problems, tita, I forgot. But anyway, life goes on even if we commit mistakes. So let's just move on. Let's sprinkle our DIY furikake on top. And for my version, I would like to grate some quick melt cheese on top. And that's it. This is ready for us to bake. Let's bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese has melted. And so, here is our baked sushi! It would have been appetizing looking if I drizzled the mayo at the very top, but anyway, I I am not really a fan of sushi, but due to the request of Angel Castellano, shout out to Angel, I made it for you and I hope you will like this recipe. So let's give it a taste, and I'd like to add a few drops of hot sauce. And that's it for my version of Sushi Bake using DIY Furikake and other substitute ingredients. Happy baking and see you on my next video.